Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Jabra Elite Active 75T earbuds in case they're not connecting to the Bluetooth or there's a problem with the sound, or maybe you have sound just coming out of the left ear or just coming out of the right ear. Doing a reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's very simple to do. What we're going to do is we're going to take the earbuds out of the case, and then we're just going to come in and simultaneously press on the left and the right earbud. We're just going to press and hold, and the light indicator will flash blue while we're doing it. We're just going to keep holding it. It'll take about 10 seconds, and when that 10 seconds is up, the indicator light on the earbuds will flash purple a few times, and then that's how you know that your reset has been completed. And once you've done that, again, it's reset, so you'll need to repair the headphones with any devices that you had it paired with before. But that's as simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.